This is now for a race color tribute to a race. We have Arranque, best begin Grace Park Boy, Morigabi Smoking Pinata, Nara Import, then followed over by El Rey Leon, running by the release Lord G alongside Asikazo. Meanwhile,
It's now Smoking Peanut in the early going. It's Smoking Peanut leads by Sam, 2 lengths, followed by Grace Park Boy. Then 2 lengths back, Nara, then followed by Arranque. Next on line, headline chaser, El Rey Leon, Asikazo, while Lord G is running in a tilt of the field as they enter the backstretch.
and into the backstretch, they travel with Smoking Peanut, moving upon the outside. Now is Nara. The next on line, Grace Park Boy, moving upon the outside. Is entry number 3, headline chaser, rushing upon the outside. Is number 6, and this one is El Rey Leon.
Nara! Now the leader by about 2 lengths, running in second is Smoking Peanut, moving up on the outside, Lord G, as they race for home.
Nara by about 5 lengths, followed by headline chaser. Now burning the tracks.
Nara this time starts to draw away and hitting the finish line. It's going to be Nara! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Okay, napakagaling ng ating mga race caller dito sa race number 9. Unofficial winner dito, numero 8, Nara. Okay. Ito talagang isa sa mga instant replay na kapanood talaga para marinig natin uli ang medley ng ating mga race caller. Panood